Hammond, you name it. Okay? Buju is asking for crazy money, and since he went out of prison, he just want to do big stadiums or big arenas in the US.
I did poor people. On all the settings when it convenient for uno, such as yo, we are doing it for the culture, we are doing it for poor people. Ray. I wanna bun government and this and that. You know better than the government. You're not better than the government, bad bro.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nandi. You know it's a boss, Nandi and I building with another episode and another banging vlog. So you know a couple days past since I've dropped a vlog, and you know I'm really busy in our personal life and so forth. So in this vlog, we want to talk about some things. We see where Vybz Kartel went to Atlanta and in perform, and it looked like it was a successful night for him and the promoters. But in my eyes, when I watch the show, I realize it looked like a Masicka take the night, because when Masicka came on the stage, the interaction and the engagement of the crowd to him, it was a good look for Masicka. And also it was a good look for dancehall culture also, you know the old talk are going right now, so the culture they're on a different level right now where it will grow and the momentum they up there and so forth. So good look for that and good look for the culture also. So in this vlog also, I'm going to talk about some things also. I see where a video go around with a gentleman speaking about Buju Banton, saying that Buju Banton from him come out of jail, him just want to be a stage show, him just want to be an arena and be a stadium, and him a charge the people them some hefty money. I guess it's the same thing with Vybz Kartel. But this gentleman is from Europe, and it seems like he's a Europe promoter. And I'm going to talk about Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel also. And also we are going to talk about the whole saga we are going with Vybz Kartel and Sizzla with the whole concert thing. Sizzla came out stating that he wanted 50% of Vybz Kartel money because him no come at Trinidad, come perform, and the promoter need for, make it work and so forth. So we're going to talk about that and also some other vlogs. So, go already, man. A Vibes and Insight with Nando. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share. Comment in the comment section. Make me know what you think. And also remember to hit that post notification bell so that when YouTube see me drop a vlog, you guys can be the first to get it. And also that YouTube can really push up the content and the vlog in the algorithm so the channel can grow gradually. So let's just jump right into the vlog, people. So in our first clippings, I'm going to play for the people. I see this UK brother here. Him seems like him is a promoter. And I speak on Buju Banton's name, saying that Buju Banton has charged so much money for a concert, and he's saying that Buju Banton doesn't want to do any shows in any small venues. He wants to do arenas and he wants to do stadium, but at the same time, Buju has charged some FTP. But I want to listen what he must say and hear it from Fee mouth and get to understand what he must say, if him make any sense with what he must say. Although in my eyes, I would say, if the artist knows same worth a certain amount of money, then he might charge it and me can't rank the artist. But listen what the promoter say, people.
Buju Banton, Vybz Hammond, you name it. Okay? Buju is asking for crazy money, and since he went out of prison, he just want to do big stadiums or big arenas in the US. But he just came for one show. The first show was in Summer Jam in Germany, and he got paid 100,000 euros. 150,000 euros. It's crazy money. So the thing is that Buju Banton, he doesn't want to tour anymore in Europe. He doesn't want to tour because he pretends to get paid, 20,000 per night, and it's impossible in Europe. And Vybz Hammond, same. He wants to come to Europe. He wants to come with 19 people touring, and he's asking for crazy fees. Vybz Hammond can put, let's say, 600, in between 600 to 1,000 people in a venue. So how much you have to charge per ticket to get what he wants to, what he expects to be paid?
So Vybz can put 5,000 people?
Not more in Europe. Just in England, he has a huge fan base in England, but not in Europe. And they don't want to adapt at the Europe reality. So they prefer not to tour.
So yeah, my people, as you know hear what the gentleman are saying, he must say Buju Banton and Berry Saman them a charge a whole lot of money in Europe, but he's saying that these artists them have a massive pull in England, but in Europe them not really have that pull. But what I want to say is that if an artist really knows them worth and know what them want out of, the stage shows them won't ask for it, and if you can't really pay the price, you just no deal with them. But at the same time, me I say is most of them promote here pay probably some promoters will not really have it like that. But at the same time, they want book big artists, big international artists. And we know say Buju Banton and Berry Saman, them have that impact upon the dancehall culture, whether locally or globally. So you don't want to get the turnout, they want to get the fan support and so forth. But at the same time, it's just crazy how, the artists them nowadays them a charge a whole lot of money. But at the same time, music, music makes a lot of money and stage shows makes a lot of money. So the artists them want them money and them want them cut. And I can't wrong them. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section about where the man just say a while ago. But me have a picture with Buju Banton. We see where I saw where Buju Banton commented on this video in the comment section, and boy, this look like it out for story up something, I don't know. But listen, me I read a comment here too. Watch this, people. So the Gargamel get dark and he goes by saying that how many years have I come there and had to pay my bonds out of my own effing pocket when we playing our arts out. So you know that go the Gargamel get dark. Him use the expletive language. And I say, look how much time I come there and have to pay my own bonds out of my pocket. And it's like the Gargamel, I say, them promoter, them can't. This just seemed like the whole situation with the Vybz Kartel thing going on with the promoter thing, saying that the promoter not give Vybz Kartel him full amount of money where him bargain for or where him sign the contract for. So Buju Banton I say probably the same thing. I say, him bringing bands of UK, him bringing bands of Europe, and then them not pay him enough to cover all of the expenses for him and him team and so forth. So that is that with Buju Banton. So on the other topic though, we see where Sizzla come in play with this whole thing again, saying that he wanted 50% of the money that Vybz Kartel got, or Vybz Kartel was supposed to receive from the Trinidad and Tobago promoter. But after realizing that Vybz Kartel got more than 80% of his money from the promoter, Sizzla Kalonji is saying that the promoter rob him or the promoter take him for fool, because he's saying that the promoter gave him 10% of his money when he bargained for 50% upfront before the concert. But after seeing that Vybz Kartel got more than 50%, he's saying that, me nah come out of my apartment, me nah come out of my hotel room until me get my money, until me get at least 50% of my money. But if you want me headline the show, since the headliner is not here to perform, you have to give me at least 50% of the headliner money, which I don't wrong Sizzla Kalonji for saying that, because with the whole thing as what Sizzla stated, that he's saying that him a perform with bands and the headliner a perform over tracks, but yet you want me to headline this event knowing that the headliner is not here, but still not want to give me at least 50% of the headliner money. Well, that not make no sense. That just looks stupid to him. So that's what Sizzla saying to people. I'm saying I'm not wrong what Sizzla do. And I guess that is what led to the whole concert being mashed up and, had to cancel, because we see some other clippings also with people that stone the promotion team and the promoter and everybody on stage, and one lady did it on stage also. But it's just crazy. But you guys let me know what you think about that. If you guys think that Sizzla Kalonji deserve the same amount of pay where Vybz Kartel get, or at least 50% of what he got, because it was said that Vybz Kartel received over 1.1 million US, or him receive 950,000 US to him, and his legal team got 150,000 US. But you guys let me know what you think about that. But we have another clippings also with another gentleman speaking on the likes of Vybz Kartel. But listen to him and watch your clippings of people.
If you do a show at Trinidad, and you charge 1.35 million, Zane, and you get 950,000 up front. By my quick calculation, that's about 80% of the money, if I'm not wrong, Zane. So you couldn't show up for that. You'd have to pull out. So, let me ask you a quick question. Are rich people did have to pull up the venue there? Or did poor people? On all the settings when it's convenient for uno, such as, we are doing it for the culture. We are doing it for poor people. Ray. I wanna bun government and this and that. You're not better than the government. You're not better than the government, bad bro. You only do things when it's convenient to uno. Say things when it's convenient to uno. But you not really do nothing for nobody but yourself, bad bro. You come on this every day. Oh, concert, sell off and this and that and Ray. You big up none of the fans them. No. But you can come on internet every day and talk about house and car and clothes and jewelry. Bad man that not frighten nobody.
You see, even though I understand what the gentleman has said, you see, when it comes to business and contractual business, where you know you have to sign upon the black and white paper, pen to paper, when it's all said and done, you know, it's come to the money, you know. If you're not paying me my money up front or in a due time, it will cause a rift and it will be able to cancel out whatever you and anybody have plans, whether promoter or whosoever you have plans. So, as I say, when it comes to business and contractual business, you have to work with it. You have to live up to the contract. You can't say, yo, you're going to give me this and then after me give you this, if that not stated in the contract. So, do I understand what the brother saying that Vybz Kartel should have at least show up with giving 80% of the money, you know, for the funds and the support of the poor people. Me understand that, but at the same time, by him doing that, if him set that standard by taking the money and don't take the other piece of money, then himself will set a precedent for other promoters can say, yo, me I give you 50,000 and wait till you do the show, then me give the next. So that I go cause a problem. But me understand what the gentleman say. But you guys let me know what you think about that. If you want to think where I say really have some merit to it or, you know, it carrying a weight. But let me know what you think. So I have a clippings here with a gentleman saying that the music business changed over time and saying that most artists within a music business who are on the music, they need for also pursue a 9-to-5 also because you can't solely dwell on music and feel say, yo, you're going to make it overnight. So you really, as an artist, for really have to get a 9-to-5, get some money for fund your own musical career because it not gonna happen for you if you just dwell upon the music and think that somebody are go push some funds in your career or bill you. So listen what I'm have to say, people.
The music business is going through changes and it requires everybody to participate differently and approach the music business differently, including artists. We're in the era of the working artists that have to do a 9-to-5 or do something else besides from music to sustain them dream in music. And it's really hard. But at the end of the day, the music industry has changed. There's nobody anymore going to fund your dream. You have to fund it yourself, and that might mean doing something else outside of music. There's nothing wrong with doing a 9-to-5 to sustain a dream. There's nothing wrong with doing a 9-to-5 to ensure that at the end of the day, your dream is sustainable. It's not easy being an artist in these modern times. But if you are willing to do what you have to do to survive and to make your dream happen, my respects to you. And at the end of the day, to the fans who see these working artists working, don't make them feel no way. Don't make them feel any less for themselves. Give them the respect that is due to somebody that is doing what they have to do to make them dream happen. It's Leng. I'm out.
Though I may not know this gentleman or who him be, but him sounds like he's a musical analyst and him know about the music. But what I must say it makes a lot of sense, and definitely people, we can agree that most of the artists, them just jump out there and say them want to do the music, looking for someone to really fund them career, for grow them. But as the gentleman say, the artists them need for really get a job on the side for fund them own career, because trust me, anybody who wants to do music can tell you that you can't just jump out of your bed and say, yo, a music me I go do and me I go make it big. You need to do a whole heap of background check, a whole heap of groundwork for your career. You need to find money out for fund your career, for go do studio time and so forth. So because studio are really cheap, studio and not something more cheap where you can't just say you go to studio every day go write song, you have to have money. So as well, gentlemen, I say artists really need to find some way or to get some money in them hands for push them career. If it's a 9-to-5, you gotta make work, and that is it. People, let me know what you guys think about what I say and what me I say also. But on the Vybz Kartel concert now, as it pertains to him and the Atlanta concert, we're going to jump into that. So watch this. So we see where Vybz Kartel went to the Atlanta and he performed at the State Farm Arena and he had some guest performers, some guest artists that graced the stage with him. The likes of 21 Savage, the likes of Akon and the likes of Masicka and also Spice who was on stage with him. And you know, in my eyes it looks like Vybz Kartel and the promoter had a successful night at this concert because after watching many of the clippings, we can see where the people them and the crowd and everybody look like them have a good time or had a good time, I should say. And we have some clippings we want to play and we want to highlight some key points of the concert because after watching some clippings also, what we get to understand is that it looked like a Masicka take the show in my eyes. Well, you know, in my opinion, me and state still, but you guys can state your opinion in the comment section and let me know what you think about the whole concert with Vybz Kartel and him whole team and him whole, you know, cameo, friends and everybody who come in support of him. So watch them clippings, some key points of it. So look on this.
Tired?
You can't tired.
I'm not.
You feel like you can manage it or if you just go easy on him?
What you feel? Go easy for me.
Go easy on him? Oh no. Them no want me go easy on you.
Alright, do what you must. You're the queen.
Chop it.
Fresh drop. Fresh drop.
Share the life. On the floor. Fuck you. He might mess up. Can't hear.
Atlanta, make some motherfucking noise for the world boss. Turn it up. If Ingo did that, what should I say?
So people, after watching the Vybz Kartel concert in Atlanta, I can definitely say, in my eyes, both party had a successful night, both Vybz Kartel and the promoter. But what I want to get off my chest is that, for some reason over the years, when I notice is like, these artists don't really take the time out for practice and work on them stage present, them stage craft, because over the years, we've seen it. A lot of these dancehall acts, I can definitely say to myself, reggae artists know how to perform better than most dancehall artists. I'm not going to say all dancehall artists, because we see where Beenie Man do him thing and him can perform. Beenie Man is a stage performer, and we see where Alkaline did it too. Do here and there a look key points in our performance, even put on the mic on the phone and make the crowd engage and sing, and then pick it up back and do the, carry on and do whatever. But what I want to say is that these artists, them now work on them craft for really perform. I don't want nobody feel like I bash no artist, but what I want to say is, if these artists are charging these hefty fees for these people to come watch them, to come see them, y'all need to really put together a real choreography, a real stage performance, something so the people them can remember, them go on with remembering something for the night. Not just you guys just coming on the stage singing over tracks that are already made, and that I really want to get off of my chest. I don't know what you guys think in the comment section, if y'all think the same way, but what I want to say is that after working so hard for your pay or your money, because all of these people are working class people, after working so hard just to go see someone perform on stage and just sing over tracks, but yet still you're singing over the tracks knowing that your voice is not really up there, like up to par, without doing no form of choreography, no form of, me don't know what to say, people, but the engaging, the fans, them and all of them, something that did it, but at the same time, the presence on the stage is just lacking for me. And as I say, people, the artists them really need to work on them craft, really need to work on the stage craft, because dancehall is a stage show type of thing. It's not just about the music, because the music not all that sell that much. But you see, the stage shows them are one of the things them will push you up there. So when the artists them come out and perform over tracks and really give you no really stage present, just a sing and jump up on your knee and your foot 2 times, but at the same time, and then again also the microphone, as I'm saying, the production team for most of these concerts, the microphone, it not really play like that. It not really up there. Like, I see Akon also, he had issues with his mic, and Vybz Kartel, you can hear him also in a microphone. It's like, up there, the microphone level is just lower, and that's what I want to say, people. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. You know already, man. I Vybz and Insight with another episode, another vlog. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.